Kia ora, my friend. Today is a very exciting day because I have received my Stampin' Up starter kit. I have been eagerly awaiting its arrival. I'm here in our holiday home in Picton and I got it sent here because I have another couple of days here and I was beginning to get worried that it wouldn't arrive before I left. So without further ado, I thought I would share the unboxing with you. So hang tight. Shall I show you my box? Okay, here we go. Couldn't find my scissors. All my crafting stuff is downstairs and I'm upstairs. So I'm sure you will find it. Okay. Now the kit comes with a component of business supplies plus the things that you've chosen for yourself. So maybe country flower dies. Ooh. I'm going to bring this back up to me so you get to see a little bit of a look here. Let's get the business supplies out. Mini catalogues. What else do we have? You're invited. Stay tuned because you are going to be invited to some fun events. Ooh. This looks nice. What's in here? I love their logo and I love their saying, inspire, create, share. That's one of the things that I chose. I'll show you that soon. Hostess forms, documentation. Oh, this big box here, which is very heavy. The new annual catalogues. Very important. We'll put that to the side for the moment. I'll do a little run through with that afterwards. What's this one? More annual catalogues. Fantastic. Okay, let's see what I've actually got. I'm going to bring this up so I can see you. Okay, excuse the wobblies. Okay, so what do I have? Soft pastels assortment. So when you're choosing your kit, you get given a dollar value that you get to shop and choose your own themes. So as I was going through all of the new product ranges, I knew I had to take some comfort that I would be able to purchase again very soon because I ran out of money. I ran out of allocation. So these are soft pastels. Look at those pretty colors. I'm going to be honest with you, I have no idea how to use these. But you know what? I'm willing to learn and I reckon it's going to be fun. So you get to learn with me, I'm sure. Okay, I was very excited by this set. This is the Country Flowers. So this is stamps and die cuts. So the photo polymer stamps come on a sheet like this. This is all new to me. And the die cuts must be separate. We'll get to those. So these are the dies. It doesn't look like anything's in there, but I'm going to take it in good faith that there is, and I will open that later. Okay, the other set that I bought, I thought this was really cute and very apt for right now. It is called Warm Welcome. So I thought I could make good use out of that. For everything, fancy sequins. Oh, now that is cool. I was not expecting that. These come in clear plastic containers. Bonus. That's super cool. Woohoo! Sequins and containers. That might explain why they cost more than the ones that I'm used to purchasing. That would explain. Okay, this set here in that lovely box. So this, I believe, is a kit. So everything comes in the kit to create, and this is what we will be creating with all of this. So beautiful, pre-designed, what's the word, pre-printed envelopes even. Every last touch has been thought of. They are going to be super fun, especially for beginners or people just wanting to do something quick girls project. Okay, I have 3 paper packs. Which one do I open first? I'm going to open the Country Woods. These, I know all my scrapbooking friends are going to go gaga over these papers, just like I did, because we all love that rustic charm, right? Okay, let's have a little look-see. So, you're just going to get a little sneak peek, okay? So, check out this gorgeousness. See if I can fan it for you. How beautiful are they? I'm so excited. Can't wait to start creating with these. I'll be back in my studio Monday. So that's when I get to start. Okay, Country Lace. Another beautiful suite I was very excited about buying. Okay, so this one's softer in some instances, but a very pretty mix, and I have some, you don't really get to see all of that on the screen very well, but hopefully you'll get to see all of this in person sometime soon, or on a layout or card design that you and I create at a class. Again, stay tuned. Now, this last set I bought, I was almost at the end of my budget allocation, and this was a paper suite that was on sale. So it's been retired, and I was able to buy it as a super good price. This one is called Harvest Meadow, and I thought this would be lovely for card classes. Man, the wind, it is a pretty wild day out there today. Let's see if we can see. I can hear the wind whistling around the house. I don't know if you can hear it. It is loud. Okay. Pretty, huh? Lovely colours. Oh, like that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got all the kinds of colours that I love. The coral and the aquamarine. And I'm not a huge yellow fan, but I do love that. And I think we can do some nice things. Oh, a nice sage green. Oh, it's also good. So there you go, friends. That is my Stampin' Up starter kit. Of course, there will be more to come, but this is the beginning, and I am beyond excited about what's to come. I hope you're joining me for the ride.